are still in the drive-thru at Dairy Queen. They're very pokey today. But we've ordered, we've paid, or no, we've ordered. Now we're waiting to go to the window to pay. Yay! Yay, ice cream! Alright guys, we got our treat. I got a small blizzard. Well, I actually am eating Oreo cheesecake, which is what John ordered. I ordered the Oreo brownie something, but they put John's in a small cup and mine in a medium cup, and I didn't want a medium, I got a small, which I think I could probably get the next one down from this too. Anyways, yeah, I just sneezed a big sneeze from the sun, and my eyeballs made me sneeze. And I was like, coronavirus? No. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna eat some blizzard. Yum. Okay, bye. Let's eat some ice cream. This one's good, the Oreo cheesecake blizzard. Get you one. I ordered a peanut butter parfait, but their hot fudge thing is not working. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little adventure. See you in the next one. Deuces.
Bye.